bank account is about to be the only thing losing weight if you fall for the latest trend of miracle weight loss drops currently saturating your social media feeds. Every time you scroll past a video, there it is. A tiny, shiny bottle promising that you can melt away body fat without ever stepping foot inside a gym. They call them melt drops. They claim to be a revolutionary shortcut. But let's be honest here. The only thing truly revolutionary is how much money these companies spend on aggressive advertising. It is a script we have seen play out 1,000 times before. The marketing is incredibly slick. It is polished to a mere finish. It uses the exact same playbook as every other dietary supplement scam that has ever haunted the internet. You see the dramatic transformations. You see the before and after photos that look just a little too perfect. You see people claiming they lost 20 pounds in a single week. It feels like a breakthrough. It feels like you finally found that hidden, secret alternative to expensive medical treatments or prescription drugs. But let's take a step back and think. If a tiny dropper bottle could actually replace years of hard work and a balanced diet, it would be the biggest news story on the planet. It would be on every front page. Instead, it is just another sponsored post, buried between viral dance videos and memes. The red flags are screaming at us. These companies use fake urgency to force your hand. They tell you the current stock is almost gone. Issue a countdown timer that says your special discount expires in minutes. It is a pure psychological trick. They want you to stop thinking critically and start clicking your credit card details into a form. Health experts have been warning us about this for a long time. Most of these fat-burning supplements have zero scientific evidence behind them. You are essentially paying a premium price for flavored liquid and a handful of basic ingredients you could find in any cheap multivitamin. The online community is a graveyard of these failed promises. If you go to forums like Reddit, the patterns are clear and they are devastating. People buy into the hope. They want an easy way out of a difficult struggle. Scammers know this. They prey on that emotional exhaustion. They sell a fantasy instead of a formula. Some users might claim they saw a change, but that is usually just the loss of water weight. Or perhaps it is a sudden shift in eating habits because they are finally paying attention to their body. It is not the drops doing the work. It is the placebo effect in its most expensive form. The pattern of consumer complaints is absolutely brutal. People talk about being trapped in hidden subscriptions. They mention how impossible it is to reach a human for a refund. Once these companies have your payment information, the real struggle begins. It is a predatory cycle. It is designed to drain your funds while delivering absolutely nothing of value. You deserve so much better than a marketing gimmick. You deserve health solutions that do not rely on flashy ads and fake celebrity endorsements. There is no magic liquid that can bypass the laws of biology. If a product promises a miracle from a tiny dropper, it is lying to you. Save your money. Put it towards something that actually supports your well-being. Buy fresh food. Buy a new pair of running shoes. Those things will give you a real return on your investment. These drops will only give you frustration. We have to stop letting these manipulative campaigns win. We have to look past the high production value. We have to demand actual data. Until that happens, keep your skepticism high and your wallet tightly closed.